Hello everyone, how to solve this exponential equation? This equation is 2 to the power x equal to 5 to the power x plus 2. We are find out what is the value of x. So let's start. Here is 2 to the power x equal to 5 to the power x plus 2. We know that according to exponential rules, a to the power n plus m equal to a to the power n times a to the power m. If I follow this rule, this time I can say here is 5 to the power x times 5 to the power 2. Now here is 2 to the power x and we have 5 to the power x times 5 square. I divide both sides 5 to the power x. Now here 5 to the power x, 5 to the power x cancel. This time I can say here is 2 to the power x over 5 to the power x equal to 25. Because of that 5 square equal to 25. Now we know that according to exponential rules, power is same, so a to the power n over b to the power n equal to a over b power is n. If I follow these rules, this time I can say here is 2 over 5 bracket power is x equal to 25. Now I use both side log. This time I can say here is log 2 over 5 power is x equal to log 25. Now according to log rules, we know that log m to the power r equal to r log m. If I follow these rules, this time I can say this x move on in front, so x log 2 over 5 equal to log 25. Now here is ax log 2 over 5 equal to log 25. I divide both sides log 2 over 5. Now here is log 2 over 5, log 2 over 5 is cancelled. This time I can say here is x equal to log 25 over log 2 over 5. Now log 25, we know that according to logarithm rules, log a over v equal to log a minus log b. If I follow these rules, this time I can say here is log 2 minus log 5. Now if I use calculator, this time I can say here is x equal to minus 3.5129. This is our answer. Thank you all. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.